Quick and easy. You won't resist this recipe. This was a secret that Grandma revealed to me and it's delicious. Your family will love it. Look how incredible this cake is. Delicious. Let's go to the recipe. Let's start our recipe by adding 3 eggs to the blender. Then add 500 ml of milk. Now let's add a box of condensed milk. Next you will add 200 ml of coconut milk. Now you will add half a cup of sugar. Then you will add 2 tablespoons of butter. For the last ingredient, we will add a cup of wheat flour. Cover and let it blend very well. Here it is perfect. And add it to the mold. Add everything here inside the mold, guys. This quick and easy cake to make is incredible. Remembering that my mold is already greased and floured, now let's take it to the oven, preheated to 180 degrees for approximately 50 minutes. Our cake is ready. Look how beautiful it looks, incredible. There's no way to resist. Now we're going to remove a piece. I'm going to remove it from the middle. Okay, this cake is delicious. I like making this cake because it's quick and it just goes in the blender and it's ready. Look how delicious the cake is.